Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to change the colors of the objects in Canva. So for example, here we have some objects or cars. So we have here a poster of a car. So how do we change the color of the object? So first of all, we go to press this object and we press edit. Then we would want to search for a magic grab. Here we go. Or we can just find, let's say, another cars if it's not supported. So let's say this one. Delete this image. We put this car here. So then press edit and magic grab. So we want to click this and press grab. So the AI is grabbing the color, or I mean the car. So once it's done, we press edit again. Here we press edit. So we can press here the colors of the cars. So you can change the colors of the car here. Let's say that we want to change the car object to gray. So once again, we go to elements. Then we go to apps. Edit, sorry. Go to edit. Then we're gonna go to magic edit. So you can change the color of the car to red. Generate. So it will just generate the color of the car through the use of magic edit. So we will just wait for like maybe 30 to 40 seconds for the AI to do its thing. So there we go. As you can see, the car is changed to another color. Very nice. From color white to color red. Or now we can change colors to other colors as well here. See the palette here. Can change it to black, white, red. So that's how you change the color of the car here at Canva or objects. So once again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos to come.